The zebra is actually mostly covered in white and striped with black or dark brown strips, but their coat is black skin. There are different types of zebra, each with a different strip pattern. The mountain zebra normally has vertical strips on its neck and across its torso, while horizontal strips cover their legs. Zebras run in a zigzag pattern when being chased by a predator to make it more difficult for the predator to run after them. The pattern of a zebra's strips are different for each individual zebra, making them each as unique snowflakes. The black and white striped pattern of their coats is a good bug repellent, keeping horseflies and other bloodsuckers at bay. A group of zebras is called a zeal. The Native American culture refers to the zebra as a symbol of balance and sureness of a path. The Swahili name for the zebra is Pundamilia. Romans used Gravis zebras to pull two-wheeled carts for their circuses. In Roman circuses, the zebra was usually called a tiger horse or a horse tiger. When faced by predators, zebras will form a semicircle and bit, nip or attack the predators if they come close to them. They will also encircle an injured family member to protect it from further attack if the need arises. A mother zebra will keep her foal away from all other zebras for 2 or 3 days until the foal can recognize her scent, voice, and appearance. Zebra form hierarchies with the stallion male in the lead followed by his harem group of females behind him. When traveling with his harem, the stallion will lead them with his head low and his ears laid back. Zebras bunch together to confuse colorblind predators such as lions, which mistake the pattern as grass. Zebras are one of the few mammals that we believe can see in color. Zebras are actually pretty short and can be 3.5 to 5 feet tall. The Gravis zebra is named after Jules Grévy, President of France, in 1882, who received a zebra as a present from the Emperor of Abyssinia. Another name for Gravis zebra are imperial zebras. A zebra can run up to 65 km per hour or 40 m per hour. To sleep, generally zebras don't lie down. Instead, they usually sleep standing up. Zebras can rotate their ears in almost any direction. This ability is used to communicate their mood with other zebras. Zebras have one toe on each foot. Zebras cannot see the color orange. There are three main species of zebra, which are called Gravis, mountain, and plains. They can even outrun a lion when a baby is born, called a foal, just like a horse. They can run with the group within a couple of hours of being born. A zebra's stripy coat is thought to get rid of more than 70% of incoming heat. This makes sure that they don't overheat in the harsh African sun. Now, this is a seriously cool fact. Apparently, a zebra's strips are there to help camouflage them in long grass and keep those nasty predators away. But here's the amazing part. Recent research showed that their strips may have evolved to keep biting insects away. Their pattern seems to confuse flies and other insects. One of the coolest things to see in the natural world is the annual 1,800,000-mile migration of millions of zebras, blue wildebeest and other antelope between the Serengeti in Tanzania and Kenya's Masai Mara in a constant search of food and water. The rarest species of zebra is the Gravis zebra. There are an estimated 2,500 Gravis zebras left in the wild and can be found in small areas of Kenya and Ethiopia. They are the biggest of the three species and can weigh almost a ton.